There are options available for substituting eggs. Having egg substitutes allows for those who don't eat eggs to be able to still eat many dishes that call for eggs. What egg substitute are used for? Eggs play many roles in both baking and cooking. The eggs are essential in many dessert recipes for the desserts to achieve the correct texture and taste. Eggs are also used in many batters and are often used in fried foods. Here are some of the roles eggs play in recipes. Binding. Eggs are used as a binding agent in many baked goods. They are used to combine ingredients and help hold dishes together. Leavening. Eggs can be used as a leavening agent, allowing baked goods to achieve a rise and puffy texture. Foods such as angel food cake and meringue achieve their light and airy texture from eggs. Moisture. Eggs allow foods to maintain a moist texture and not dry out. They help food achieve the right balance of moisture. Healthy egg substitute. 1. Applesauce. Applesauce is a great option for replacing eggs. It is easily accessible and a healthy option. Also, it is best to use 1/4 cup of unsweetened applesauce as a substitute for 1 egg. 2. Yogurt. However, you want to avoid flavored yogurt, as it will alter the taste of the recipe. You can use 1/4 cup of yogurt to replace 1 egg. Yogurt is best in substituting for muffins and cakes. 3. Mashed bananas. They are a simple replacement for eggs and allow for baked goods to be moist and dense. You can use 1/4 cup of mashed banana for every egg the recipe calls for. Mashed bananas are great in foods such as cakes, brownies, bread, and muffins. However, they may leave a slight banana flavor. 4. Vinegar and baking soda. Both apple cider vinegar and white distilled vinegar can be used. You can use 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of vinegar to replace eggs in dishes such as cakes and bread. 5. Chia seeds and flax seeds. You can use 1 tablespoon of grounded chia seeds or flax seeds mixed with 3 tablespoons of water. The seeds add a dense texture and nuttier flavor, making them great for waffles, pancakes, muffins, cookies, and bread. 6. Silken tofu. You can use 1/4 cup of pureed silken tofu for every egg used. It is a great replacement in dense desserts such as brownies, cookies, cakes, and bread. 7. Egg white substitute. You can use 3 tablespoons of aquafaba for every egg white the dish calls for. Aquafaba is the leftover liquid from a can of beans. 8. Egg yolk substitute. If you have a dish that calls for just egg yolks, you can use 1 tablespoon of soy lecithin for every yolk as an alternative. Soy lecithin is a byproduct of soybean oil that has similar binding properties to the 1 egg produce. Vegan egg replacements. 1. Just egg vegan substitute. It is an easy vegan egg alternative that is made entirely from plant products. It can be used to make omelets, scrambled eggs, baked goods, and cooking. 2. Bob's Red Mill gluten-free vegan egg replacer. It is an easy replacement for recipes that call for eggs. It is great for muffins, cookies, bread, and cakes. 3. Follow Your Heart vegan egg, 100% plant-based. It is an easy way to use a vegan egg substitute. The soy-based eggs simply need ice-cold water to be transformed into an egg alternative. It can be used in scrambled eggs, omelets, cookies, and cakes. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.